Hi, my name is Brock Lemires, President of Resilient Computing, and in this video I will be giving you a tour of our facility as part of our virtual site visit as part of our SBIR Phase 2. We are located in Bozeman, Montana, and we have two office rooms in the Oz building, which is a shared tenant space where you can rent individual offices by the month, and they're fully furnished. And then there's common meeting rooms and break rooms and office supplies such as printers and front desk reception that everybody shares. The entry to the building is card access on non-working hours, open door Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. And then each room inside has individual keys for privacy. Next, we'll take a look at our one of our offices where I sit as the president. As you come into, we're on the second floor here, you'll see that there's common kitchen areas on each floor for all the tenants. There's workspace that can be temporarily rented or just used if you're a tenant. And then each individual office is fully furnished, and like I said, can be rented on a monthly basis. So this is our first office. This is room 211. This is about 140 square feet, and this is where I sit along with our office manager, who does not want to be on camera right now, and pretty basic setup, meets the needs for what we do here. Basically, this is just where we do the administration. Most of the work that Resilient Computing does can be done with regular workstations, and I'll show you the engineering units next. And this is our engineering office. So we have Chris Major here. He's the principal investigator of our Phase 2. We have Hezekiah Austin, who's a design engineer on our Phase 2. And Tristan Running-Crane, who's on an intern supplement as part of this Phase 2. And then here is our laboratory bench where we're doing some demoing right here. So right here we have our RAD PC with an image coprocessor that's taking images of a fake moon. And if you can see on there, what it's doing is it's detecting the horizon on there. So if I kind of move it around, you can see that it kind of tracks it with some limitation, and then it's got an orientation indicator on there of when you're level and where you need to roll the spacecraft back. So this is how we test our computer system with real-time streaming data. And this lab is about 340 square feet, and that's our engineering lab. Then in terms of the type of equipment that we use for our development, this is a good example. Everything that we do can be done right now on a benchtop. So this is our technology right here. This will hopefully be a product here shortly. You can see the type of test setup we have is basic test equipment, FPGA development boards, embedded systems boards, programming, handheld meters. Every engineer has a System 76 high-power workstation running Linux, and all the software tools for the FPGA development, which are provided for free by the vendor. And so that's the extent of what we do with equipment. And as you can see, there's just different tenants in each of the offices, and then each floor has a conference room that can be reserved at any time. There are no restrictions right now. If it gets busy, they'll have kind of a control on the time limit, but you can see we have access to conference room.